If you're wondering whether Omention AI is worth your time, this video breaks down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end to catch the most surprising one. Before we dive in, quick heads up. You can try Omention completely free from the first link in the description. No credit card, no catch. And once you see what it does, you'll see why that's a big deal. Now, here's what makes Omention AI stand out in a sea of AI tools. First, Omention isn't just another content generator, it's built to monitor online mentions across platforms in real time, including forums, blogs, YouTube comments, and social media. So you're the first to know when your name, brand, or product pops up. That's massive for brand reputation and digital PR. Second, it goes beyond alerts. Omention actually uses AI to summarize context and sentiment. You don't just get notified, you get a full snapshot of what's being said, by who, and how people feel about it. For marketers, agencies, and founders, this saves hours of manual tracking. Third, it integrates smoothly with your workflow. You can connect Slack, Discord, or email, and even assign internal tasks based on Omention. It turns passive monitoring into active action steps. That's something legacy tools like Mention or Brand24 don't do nearly as well. Fourth, the dashboard is intuitive. You're not lost in filters or buried in analytics you don't need. Everything's optimized for speed and clarity, which matters when you're dealing with hundreds of real-time mentions. Fifth, Omention's AI learns over time. It gets smarter at detecting which mentions actually matter to you, so you're not flooded with noise. This kind of intelligent filtering is where it beats most traditional tools, and it's only going to improve. Sixth, pricing is startup-friendly. You don't have to pay enterprise rates to get value, and right now, while it's just launched, you can lock in better pricing. Again, check that first link below to start free. And finally, it's the early access advantage. Because Omention was just released, you can actually shape the roadmap. The team is responsive and they're building based on real user feedback. That's rare, and a reason I recommend early adoption, especially if you're in digital marketing, PR, or brand building. So, is Omention AI the best just released AI software this year? In my opinion, yes, especially if you care about visibility, reputation, and being ahead of conversations online. If you're serious about staying competitive, you'll want to test it now while it's still flying under the radar. And don't forget, I've listed all my top recommended AI tools in the description that you can also try for free. After testing literally thousands of tools, those are the ones I trust. Thanks for watching, and if you end up trying Omention, let me know how it goes.